Looking for something to help you get hard and stay hard? We've got you covered with the Apollo Sta-Hard Kit. California Exotic Novelties is the company that makes something for everyone. The Sta-Hard erection pump has a flanged base for a secure seal and a soft, stretchy, removable donut for a comfortable fit. Use one or both of the included body-safe silicone enhancer rings to take your pumping to the next level. You stay in complete control with the easy squeeze bulb and quick air release valve. With an included tight and stretchy ribbed stroker and a multi-speed vibrating stimulator, this kit will quench all your desires. Truly created for a contemporary man. All you need are 2 AA batteries and you're ready to go. Pump and stroker are waterproof for fun in the shower or tub. Also makes cleaning super easy. Get hard and stay hard with the Apollo Sta-Hard Kit.